I'm acting like it's cold and it's like 60 something degrees outside. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just in my robe that I got from Temu. What's up guys, welcome back, welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today I am going to be doing another furniture building video slash review with you guys, and this is also from Temu. I finally picked up a TV stand. I've been needing one for a while now. The one I wanted sold out, which I'm glad it did because I got something better, especially for the height difference. With that being said, I'm not gonna hold you guys too much longer. I will have my coupon code pop up here so you guys can get even more off on this TV stand, because when I purchased it, this TV stand was on sale for 70 something dollars. It was around 90 something to $100. I will leave a link down to it below as well. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. This is the box that it came in. Definitely a lot smaller than the previous ones, but I don't like that it says vintage TV stand. Like, why do we need to put the name of it on the box? Like, no names and no pictures on these boxes. Now let's go ahead and put all of these out so we can start building it. I put all of the boards out in, I mean, as much order as I can put them out in. It came with the instructions, the box of tools. A few things I do want to mention. The foam, very, very messy all over. Like, everything is just stuck. I'm either gonna have to clean it off. Look at it, like, all on these boards. The labels, the stickers, that one is a little messed up, but I can still make it out. And then there was a board or two that did not have any numbers. Some boards have the numbers on the end, some of them on the side, some of them the end, the side, like just a little all over the place. Also, the glass boards, which when I took all of these boards out, I was looking for them. I'm like, doesn't this come with glass? The glass was just thrown in there with the boards, which means that they could have easily broke. So I'm glad no mishaps with that. As I put this together, hopefully there won't be any more problems that arise. So I want to mention that this right here is what I'm working with. That's my TV. I just have, I'm watching the Little Prairie, by the way. I have a table as my TV stand because I did have a TV stand, but I got rid of it, and then I just opted for that until I found the TV stand that I kind of wanted. And then I have like a bunch of stuff on the floor that I'm gonna store into this TV stand because it is a TV stand in storage. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, well that's different. They left it, oh shoot, they left it all together like this. I like that. Most of the other companies just throw like all of the bags in here, but I like how they put it like this so it's easy to, you know, scroll. Oh, and they gave a big screwdriver. All of the other sellers give small screwdrivers. Okay, they redeemed themselves. And again, this is the drill that I got from Temu that I've been enjoying using so far. I did not charge it from the last time I used it, so hopefully it's not dead or I'm going to be frustrated. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, it seems like these holes are made a little bit smaller, so it's not allowing the drill to like fully go in there the way I need it to, but this screwdriver is screwing it down pretty fast, so I'm just going to use this for as much as I can. See like how it's just easily going in there. Even when I went to just screw that in, it's like the piece of the furniture wants to kind of like peel up a little. This year's not too late, and it's time to spice it up.
move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want?
This one gave a big screwdriver because they knew that it wasn't gonna take that drill.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out.
If you guys remember in my last building Temu furniture video, I mentioned that they did not have me line up these grooves right. So they showed it right here. They did a little close-up, and then it also says remark. Let the grooves on part 4 and 7 be connected to the groove on part 1 and 3. So they made sure to check that, okay? Because last time we had to fix that.
I get it, why you need me? I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get better. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Just me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind. And I made it big and free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go by. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. And you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, ask me for me today. No one again. No one saying right. Until the morning, my one is up on your hurry. I just wanna get you sorry. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Just another reaction.
This part right here says if you are going to install a fireplace, you need to install part D, which is somewhere around here, but I'm not doing a fireplace. I already have a fireplace. I'm showing this magnetic part right here because one piece goes on the actual TV stand itself, and then the other piece will screw onto the door that goes onto the TV stand. And if you end up looking for it, it may be stuck together. So that's why I just showed pull it apart if something doesn't look right and you're like, okay, how am I supposed to stick this and this together? And now you can see. There's some sort of plastic on these doors. I guess it's to like protect it or something. This is not glass. This is like some sort of like plastic that's made to look like glass, so that's why they didn't protect it. I thought it was glass, but that's fine. Seems like it's on both sides. Let's see. Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know, I was always holding you. This door is so cool. I just wanted to show you guys. This part right here pushes in, like, and then you put it at the top too. And instead of screwing the parts on there for the door, you use this instead. So it makes it easy to just, let's see, put it in there. And then you press down on this part, slide it. And then when you hear it snap, then it just magnetically closes. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up over here. I'm gonna have to move my heavy ass TV. That TV is, I think it's a 55 inch TV, and it's heavy. So let me square this out and I'll be back with you guys. My DVD player would go right there, but it broke, so now I have to get another one, which really does suck. Oh my gosh, I'm like so tired right now. It's not even funny. Let me go ahead and like fix this up, and then I'll come back on to show you guys, because like I'm gonna be here forever trying to figure out where I want to put everything, so I'll be back when I do it. All right, and this is how it turned out in the end. Up here I do have my flat screen TV, and it's about a 50 to 55 inch TV. So I do want to mention that I believe that this can hold up to 70 inch flat screen TVs. For reference, just in case you guys want it yourself and you have, you know, a big TV, you'll know that that's like kind of like the size frame. Over here, let's start with the door. I did mention before that both sides had the plastic on it. So when I took the plastic off, you can kind of see through it, but it still has that ripple effect that I love. It's not glass, it is plastic, which is even safer, so better for it. And here, you can see the magnetic part. which is also on the door as well. So that's how it closes. In this first section, you can see that I have a lot of my little storage. So I have like nail polish and all the little extras that I couldn't fit anywhere else. Then I also have like some of my hair products and some extras down here. Now I did forget to mention, and I also forgot to mention in my cabinet kitchen last video as well, these shelves are adjustable. There's 3 different heights. You can see the first hole right there. The second one is what I have it on, and then the third one. I always put it on the middle unless I need something taller to fit in there, but it does fit on the middle. But again, the shelves are adjustable and removable. And there's the magnetic closure. In this middle section right here, I do have this Matisse, I don't know, type of storage book. This is what I got from Temu that you can put extra little things in, like remote controls and all of that. I usually put it on my table, but I thought it fit good right here until I get my DVD player. Now this shelf right here is also adjustable. I think there's 3 different heights. I do have it on the tallest one until I get my DVD player and I know which one I need to put it on, but so far so good. So I'm just going to keep it on there. And then I have my little coaster in there, and then this little outlet peeking around the corner. Down here I just put some extra stuff that came out of my last TV stand. I put it in this basket, so you know, that's what's pretty much in this section. In this last door over here, I have a mini vacuum that I got from Temu, some mini storage things that came with something that I bought from Temu. I think I bought those on my own, actually. I don't think it came with anything. What you do with these is you stick them onto a wall or anywhere. You can even stick it on here and place a shelf in there. Also, the little divider that I got in my closet island from Temu, I just put it in there because I didn't need it in one of the drawers. Binoculars. And then down here, some more storage stuff, and then this mini fan that I got from Temu, and a magnetic door as well. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is not the exact TV stand that I was gonna get. I was gonna get one that had an LED lighting system to it, but that one was too short. So that's why I opted for this one, and I'm so much more happier with this one. Of course, if I want the LED lights, I can just go ahead and purchase them again on Temu. I've been getting a lot of my LED light strips from Temu because they have a different range of them. So you can go ahead and put them in the doors along here and stuff like that. But I do have the LED lights on the back of my TV that I got from Temu, so I don't need to purchase them from the TV stand. It comes with this remote, which, by the way, the plastic that was on this remote, I took it off and I regret it because it's rubbing the letters off. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys. So yeah, it's on the back of the TV. You can change the lighting to different colors and all of that. You'll be able to see it better in the dark, but yeah. I just love how this looks so much. See, like, it's so simple, yet it did so much. Like, simplicity and minimalistic is the way to go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next couple of videos because they will be Valentine's Day based DIYs and recommendations. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Look like I got a scarf on.